Hi guys, in this video I want to pick up the article from Times of India newspaper that no fees revision at IIM this year. The fees is not going to increase. So we're all talking about the reduction of fees and all these things, but here we're getting a news that fees will not increase. Before we go into this article, let's look at the fees hike. Now this is a chart I have given in front of you is from IIM Ahmedabad of the last 5 years. 2019 fees was 23 lakhs. 2018 fees was 22 to 23 22, 17 fees 21, 16 fees 19 lakh 50,000 and 15 fees 18 lakh 50,000. So if you see every year the fees is going up by 1 lakh. So this year expected fees was around 24 lakh, but the fees have not gone up this year. This is the decision they have taken. 2020 fees will remain same, 23 lakhs. Now see all the IITs, if you look at the IITs, IIT का MBA का fees is around 10 lakh because they are sponsored by the government. IIMs are not sponsored by the government. 10 years ago, IIMs have stopped getting sponsorship from the government. Yeah, so all the IIMs are now running from the student fund only while maintaining all the fees and everything. Because of this reason, the fees is going up every year. Yeah, so this year they've decided, owing to the coronavirus thing, if I just increase the size of this article, owing to the COVID-19 situation, most of the IIMs may not revise the fees for the MBA program. Yeah, because otherwise every year 2 to 3% hike used to be there at IIM Ahmedabad. Now this year they have decided not to hike the fees. Now that's the biggest news we are getting for that today. The fees is not going to go high. ठीक है, ये सही था यार. पीपल आर आस्किंग के वो फीस कम करो. आई एम कैलकाटा स्टूडेंट्स आर आस्किंग फॉर फीस रिडक्शन एंड हियर वी हैव द बॉस सेइंग दैट बॉस ठीक है चलो तुम बोल रहे हो तो हम इंक्रीज नहीं करेंगे. ठीक है, खुश रहो. ठीक है, तो दिस इज आई एम अहमदाबाद. सो या obviously उनका costs are not going to go down, so how can they reduce the fees? This is one of the valid point. I was looking at the comments in my earlier video. One of the students said that instead of this I would go for a open university and do a online MBA. One of the students said Udemy से MBA कर लो यहाँ जाने से अच्छा. Guys, you are comparing, of course they are joking around this, but are you comparing IIM Ahmedabad with the Udemy or open university का MBA? See, first of all, you are going your MBA for the, we are doing our MBA for the job. If with open university, if job is not there, what is the फायदा of doing the MBA from there? That's my main argument. कि फिर MBA करके फायदा क्या है? तुम MBA करने जा क्यों रहे हो? Yeah, because we need a better job. If you are already working, we need a better job. We need a better profile. Part-time MBA, Udemy करके profile नहीं मिलने वाला. And this is a short-term thing. यार, this COVID की वजह से यार लोगों के पास job नहीं है यार. Please look at that way. Fine. So these kind of comments are very sensitive comments when it comes to the education point of view. That also you are comparing with IIM Ahmedabad. Yeah. So this is a short term thing only. We will recover out of this. I am talking about this in every video. We'll have a U-shaped recovery. The market will recover in the near future. So don't worry. Just stay in the race. All right. All the best.